So, good morning to all of you. Um, I hope you all have completed this unit up to chapter 13 since all the exercise part was also posted last class. And now this is the last chapter of that unit, that is chapter 14, Introduction to Social Media. Here we'll be discussing all the famous or frequently used social media sites and how it can be used and what are the features of those social networking sites. Okay, so let's start with it. So, what do you understand by a social networking site? It is basically an online platform where people with similar interest or your relatives or those who have similar backgrounds, we search on people, those who are there in our previous classes this way. So, people having similar interest, they have a real life connection. Digitally, those people are connected to each other. Okay, so some of the social networking sites we have Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. Out of this Facebook, WhatsApp, and one more is there Instagram. Student very famous among the students. But what we frequently use it's Facebook and WhatsApp. Okay, so what are the features available on social media? Every social networking site will help you to make your profile through which you will be recognized, through which people who will be searching about you, they can know about whether you are the right person to talk to or not. So because of this, many fake profiles are also available on internet. You must be aware of that. Then these sites provide very simple interface. Like it's not like you have to be a graduate only to operate these social networking sites, because everything is so clearly shown on the screen of these sites that a layman or a person who doesn't know anything about the social sites, if he is going to start it from today only, so after 2 to 3 days only he will be acquainted, or he will be knowing all the features from where to where, what has to be used and how it can be shown. Everything he or she will be knowing. Then there are media galleries which can be posted. Inbuilt media galleries are there which can be used. Then you can create your photo albums. These photo albums are virtual photo albums, like which are there on online available only. It's not, you cannot hold it in your hand. This is a kind of virtual photo album. Then there are different groups created, different pages are there which you follow. Okay, then conversations are there. Like if you're using Facebook, so talking to someone, either if you want that a personal messaging should be there, then instant messenger will be used there. Okay, then we have tags. Tags means I'm going to post something and I want to means highlight that thing to someone's wall, some particular people wall, then I can tag those people from there. Okay, then we have chat facility. As I told, messaging facility is there. Activity record, if you want something live to be there, then it can also be done. Email alerts are there, real time updates, and free web addresses are also provided there. Then what are the merits of social media? In your book, the aids in criminal cases is given under merits of social media. Please, you will update it and you will write it under demerits of social media. Easier to connect, you all know that. Create new connections, free business promotions. If suppose you have a venture and you have launched a new product, so one of the easiest way to advertise about it, you post it through social media. Then spreads information incredibly fast. Like on Twitter, something wrong is happening around you and you are not able to tolerate it. You tweet it about it, and it people attention will be there on Twitter. Means it spreads the information very faster. Then some of the demerits of social media are cyberbullying. Obviously, it is there. Then less real life interaction. Digitally, we are so much involved that we don't have time to go to someone to have a face to face interaction. So real life interaction is less. Then addiction. So we have students nowadays, classes are over, then also they keep on checking their mobile phone, that do have is there any new message, is there any new update. So this type of addiction is there. Misleading information, like anything posted on social networking sites, nobody will take responsibility whether it is genuine information or not. So misleading informations are there. Then misuse of information. Nowadays many features are there through which you can hide your data, you can lock your profile, but earlier it was not there. Your display pic or your profile pic, it was easily downloadable and it can be used for different wrong purposes. So it was misuse of information. Then as I told, fake profiles are there. Peer pressure will be there. Like if your friend is doing something good on social media, you will also be inspired to do. Whether it is right or not wrong, you will not think of that, but you will start doing that. Then aids in criminal cases, obviously it will increase the criminal cases there. Then we have blog. Blog is nothing, it's like short post on social media, and it's not like only your a group you are creating and those people only will follow you. It can be seen by the world, everybody can see. Those who want to follow you, they can see that blog. Like Twitter is a social media which is which will be categorized under blogging sites only. Okay, so it can, the topic of blog can be from personal to professional. Like different types of blogs are there. A person who writes or creates the blog will be known as a blogger, and this process of writing the blogs is known as blogging. Okay, so three terms from here: blog, blogger, and blogging. Whatever post you have done, any of the person can comment on it, and then you can start a conversation with them, and you can also respond to them. Then there are different types of blogs. As I told, personal blog, you're writing something about you only, going to Delhi, coming back from Delhi. So these are the types of personal blog. Company blog, as I told earlier also, that if you want to advertise something about your business and all, then you can take help of blogs or social media, where you will be posting about the new product launched, or you want some customers for a particular field, then you can do so. Non-profit blogs, like NGOs are also having blogs, so those will be categorized under non-profit. They are not doing it for profit purpose, they are just spreading the information around them. Then political blogs are there, news and views blogs are there, and last one, microblogging, which is frequently used, as I told, on Twitter. Okay, then we have Twitter. It is a social networking, or you can say, as I told earlier also, microblogging service. It offers a platform to share the brief information or the links for interesting news or topics that can benefit people. It has been termed as SMS of the internet. Okay, so some of the terms are there related to Twitter, like Twitter handle is there, that at the rate sign, that is Twitter handle. Then your posts are known as tweets. Hashtags are there, like hashtag sign is there, and if you want to highlight some relevant word, then that will be written under hashtag. Then we have follow. You can search the people whom you want to follow, and then you have Twitter feed or timeline, the page where all the posts are appearing, that is known as the timeline of your Twitter page. Okay, so let's see how Twitter works, and then we'll start knowing about the other social networking sites. So this is my Twitter account. Okay, so here this is the home page, or you can see the timeline feed. Here you can post, or other postings which are there will be shown to you. Okay, whoever you are following, their tweets will be here only. Okay, so these all are the options. Share, if you're going to share it, then this, if you like it, then you can comment, and all, every option is there only. Reply to this is known as the tweet handle. To whoever you want to post, you can write at the rate, and then you can reply that. Okay, so suppose I want to write a simple message, hello to all. So just after writing, you can add any media gallery, any GIF, any poll you want to provide. Then emojis are there which you can insert. Any of the smileys and all, if you want, you can insert it there. And then you can tweet it. Okay. If someone else message you are going to tweet, then that option is known as retweeting. And if you want to search for any person whom you want to follow, then you can write here the person's name. Like here, I'll write about, suppose, Anushka Sharma. Okay, Anushka Sharma, I'm writing. So it will be shown. Already I'm following it since a tick sign is there. So any of the handle which you want to follow, you can just click and then use the option follow. So this way the Twitter account can be handled. Okay, next is Tweets I told, hashtags I told, anything which you want to highlight there. Then for that, what you have to do, here you can give hashtag like birthday, so it will be highlighted like this. I want to show it to someone's tweet handle, you will write there like Akshay Kumar I'm writing, so it will be shown here. You can write there, so this way it will be going to their wall. Okay, so this can be done through, and after that you will tweet it from here only. Okay, so I hope you all have understood this one. Here you can control who can reply to a tweet. Everyone, by default it will be everyone only. Then people you follow or only people you mention. How can you mention? With the help of this Twitter handle. Okay. Next is all these options we have done. Hashtags, tweets. The posts which you are sending are known as tweets. Hashtags, any term you want to highlight, then you can write with hashtag. Follow means the people a tick sign, those whom you are following, it will be shown. And that page which opens is your timeline. Next is Facebook. It is another popular social networking website which is used to connect with people online. It is free and provides a user-friendly platform. Okay, here you can make a group of people to whom you want to interact with. And you can control, privacy control is there, only friends will see, public will see. So accordingly, people will have to search you as you did on Twitter. So let me show it to you. This also. This is my Facebook page. This is the Facebook page. Here we can share live videos, photos can be posted. Then you can create a room for only the people whom you want to post some data. Then here your some pages are there which you can follow, like Art Caroli School Family, then Pink Pebbles. All these are the pages which I am following. This way it can be created. And if you want to write something, you can this is the wall of Facebook where all someone is posting something for me, it will come on my wall. Okay, so this is the Facebook wall page. Okay, then we use okay, so some of the features of Facebook are friend list can be created, walls as I told, virtual photo album is there, status you can update there, Facebook pages are there which you can follow, news feed is there, like anything new recent happening is there, it will come to your wall. Then privacy controls, as I told, you can control who can see your profile and all. Then YouTube is a video sharing website where you can create your own channel, which is also free, and you can post any data which you want other people should also know. Your videos can be based on tutorials, cooking lessons, exercise tips, etc. You can select the videos which you want to watch. A list of a thumbnail of thumbnails of videos will be shown, and only the videos which you want to see you can choose. Then you can subscribe to some of the videos or channels which you want to frequently visit. Then you can download and upload the videos. Then you can choose privacy settings, like who can see, who can comment, is it a private video, will it be made for kids only, some all those things are there which you can go for. You can edit your videos, you can employ parental control. This is the same parental control which is provided by Google. Okay, so let me show this also to you once. This is YouTube page. If you want to upload, like I have uploaded till now 74 videos, likes are this much, subscriptions are this much. I have taken subscription of these many. So for uploading the video, you can go to your videos part, and there you will get that plus icon through which you can upload your own video. You can also go live nowadays through this. Okay, here to create the video, or if you have already there, you just click on this upload videos, or go live option is there. All those things which you have done till now will be listed on this page. So all these options are there in YouTube. Then comes Then comes your WhatsApp, which you people are already knowing. It is a free to download messenger app for smartphones. Some interesting facts about WhatsApp are as follows. One of the most popular instant messaging app worldwide. It provides high quality voice as well as video calling. cost is less, simple interface. It allows you to format the text. I hope you all are knowing how to format the text. You can bold the message, you can underline the message, you can strike through the message. Okay, if possible, let me see if I can show it to you. Wait a minute. Suppose this is the page and I want to make some data bold. So you put asterisk sign in the beginning and then asterisk sign at end and then post it. You will see that that message will come in bold letters. So this way you can see that hello message has been bolded. So anything if you want to underline, then underscore in the beginning, hello, and underscore at last and enter. You will see that that message will be, it's hidden from here. Can you see it has become italics? Okay, same way if you want to strike through the message, then this sign on the keyboard, I'm not getting it here. If you want to make italics and bold, then star and underscore both will be used. Okay, so this way you can use WhatsApp for formatting the options. I hope you all have understood the entire chapter. With this video, I'm going to send the PDF of the exercise also, and you all note down in your copy. Thank you to all and have a nice day.